Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Thanks so much for being here. I'm JJ, and today I'm going to introduce the channel by going over a few different topics, including what I plan for the channel to be, possible future channel ideas, what I'm into as far as hobbies and stuff go, how often I plan to post videos, and things like that. Starting off with what the channel is going to be about, it's pretty much going to be about LEGO Speed Champions mocks and other LEGO related stuff that has something to do with cars. And I'll probably be doing LEGO Speed Champions set reviews and sharing my opinions on them too. If that's something you guys would want to see, let me know down in the comments below. I'll also be posting shorts of Hot Wheels customs, like swapping the wheels out with rubber tires or painting the body completely. Here's a couple examples of wheel swaps. The 65 Mustang convertible there started like this, but I think it looks a lot better like this. Now for video ideas. Maybe I could do monthly mock competitions like YouTube channel Otto's Mocks does. I'll put a link to him in the description below if you guys are interested in checking out his channel. I highly recommend him. Except I would have a score sheet system where I place everyone's builds based on different categories such as NPUs, which stands for nice parts usages if you didn't know, originality, color choice, and stuff like that. Maybe first, second, and third place winners would receive prizes like build requests specifically for that person, or a shout out, or free membership passes, or something like that. Speaking of memberships, maybe I could start one where members get exclusive content like member exclusive builds, early access to builds, behind the scenes videos, and more. Another fun idea, maybe I could even do weekly polls where you guys get to vote on whatever the poll has to offer. Another fun idea, I could do a video on my top 10 favorite mocks of the week/month by other builders, like YouTube channel Vamo Customs does. Also go check him out. He's really good at alternate builds. He's on rebrickable.com too if you want to check him out there. Another fun idea, I could do weekly Q&A where you guys ask the questions and I answer them. Now, for how often I'll post videos, it really depends on when I can crank them out. Maybe every 1 to 2 weeks for full-length videos anyway. I'll be doing shorts more often, but we'll see. Now, a little about me. My very first LEGO set was 5508 Deluxe Brick Box, which I share with my older brother, who also has a YouTube channel. I will put a link down to him in the description below. Go check him out, guys. I built the red car and the boat, and he built the blue truck and the airplane. I'm really into cars, like if you couldn't already tell. I could even tell you what this car is. If you actually know what that car is, then congratulations, you have successfully impressed me. My favorite car is the Ford Mustang GT500 Code Red by Fat House Performance. This is why. I'm also a huge Mustang fan. I've got about 11 LEGO Mustangs and literally 50 plus Hot Wheels Mustangs. I love Mustangs. Like, these are all the Hot Wheels Mustangs that I customized. Actually, this one was customized by a friend of mine, but you get the idea. I like Mustangs a lot. I don't really like JDM. No offense to you if that's your thing, but I just think American Muscle is way better. How could you say no to this? Pretty cool, right? Also, Australian car company Holden is an exception. They're basically American. They have American engines. If I had to pick my top 3 JDM cars, I'd probably say the Honda/Acura NSX, the Liberty Walk ER34 Skyline, or the Nissan Skyline R33. If JDM is your thing, then I have a question for you. Supra or Skyline? Hey, maybe I can do a poll on that in the future. My favorite car manufacturer is Ford, if you couldn't tell. I know that's kind of controversial, but hey, I don't like Teslas, which is, very controversial. But anyway, what do I do in my free time? Well, I build Legos, I customize Hot Wheels, also, in case you couldn't tell, play the drums and smoke people in Nerf 4 pretty much. Well, with that being said, I hope this kind of gives you an idea for what to expect, what's coming from the channel. And if you guys have any suggestions / ideas for the channel, please don't hesitate to let me know, because I'm still new to all this YouTube stuff. So I'd greatly appreciate if you guys could tell me how you think I could improve the channel. Thank you very much for watching. It really does mean a lot. Make sure that you unsubscribe, dislike, unshare, and I will see you in the next one. Asparagus from Albertsons.